Cardano just lost almost a third of its value in a month. Its founder posted 4 words, "I'm taking a break," and the market panicked. ADA is back near 16 cents, levels from 2020. So is Cardano dead or just oversold? Don't guess, let's read the chart. Quick basics, because the name confuses people. Cardano is the network, ADA is the coin on it, a proof-of-stake blockchain competing with Ethereum and Solana. Why the drop? The founder stepped back. He later said it was only a break from social media, not from building, but fear had already taken over the whole market. Here's the twist. A spot Cardano ETF becomes eligible for review in August, and new US rules may classify ADA as a commodity. So the real question, is Cardano a good investment here, comes down to the chart. Open the chart. This is the useful part. ADA's trading around 16 cents. The key support every trader is watching sits at 14 to 14.5 cents. That's the floor holding price up. If it breaks and flips to resistance, the next levels are 13, 12, and the big psychological one, 10 cents. Now look up. Above price there's a wall. The 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages are all clustered between roughly 23 and 33 cents, and ADA is under every one of them. That's the zone bulls have to reclaim before anyone calls it a recovery. So, 2 scenarios and 1 invalidation. Bullish. ADA holds 14 cents, reclaims that moving average cluster near 23 to 30, and the ETF catalyst gives it a reason. Bearish. 14 breaks, turns into resistance, and the lower levels 13, 12, 10 come into play. The invalidation, the level that tells you you're wrong, is a clean loss of 14 cents with no reclaim. That's your line in the sand. And will Cardano reach $1? That's a 2030 conversation, not this setup. This is one possible scenario, not a prediction. If you wanted to trade this idea, here's the clean way to do it. On Margex, the pair is ADAUSD, leverage from 5 up to 50 times. Leverage isn't about going big, it's about controlling risk. Pick isolated or cross margin, and before anything else, set your stop loss just under that 14-cent invalidation, with a take profit up near resistance. Plan the exit before the entry. Quick recap. ADA's oversold near 16 cents. 14 is the floor that matters. Hold it, and bulls have a case toward the 20-something zone. Lose it, and the lower levels open up. That's the map. The same breakdown for Solana and Chainlink is in the Crypto Price Predictions 2026 playlist below. This is one scenario, not a guarantee. Not financial advice. Always manage your risk.